I'm gonna show you how you can actually fill your American visa lottery form. Yes, I'm gonna show you how you can actually fill your American lottery visa form. Yes, so as you can see right now, I'm on the US Department of State website, and that's actually the official website that you can actually apply for your American lottery visa. Yes, so fast forward, let's head into the video. Yes, so as you can see, we have part one here where they're asking for your the entrant information, meaning the person that is applying for your information. Yes, so first here we have the name, we have the first name, the last name or the family name. That's actually your surname. That's what we call the surname. Yes, so we have the first name, and the first name is actually your birth name. So let me say if they call you Kwame Nkrumah, yes, Kwame is your birth name and Nkrumah is your family or your last name. Yes, so if you have a middle name, then don't forget to also put it down here. So get to number two, they're asking for your gender. Yes, so whether you're male or you're female, then you simply select one. So on the third question, they're asking for your birth date, meaning the date that you were actually born. Yes, they're asking for the month, the birthday, and the birth year. Yes, and those information must correspond with the date on your Ghana card or on your passport. You understand? In case in a situation whereby the date on this platform or on the form is different from the one on your ID or your passport, then you are gonna be rejected. You understand? Yes. So down here on the fourth question, they're asking you the city that you were born. You understand? So this one is always tricky. Yes, it's always tricky, and most people who get selected will later get rejected. You understand? Yes. So the birth city must be the city on your birth certificate. The birth city that you put in here must be the birth city on your birth certificate. Yes. So imagine you were born in Kumasi, but you did your birth certificate in Accra. On the certificate, it's gonna be written you were born in Accra. You understand? Yes. So if you should put in Kumasi and later you are selected and they ask you to bring your birth cert, on the birth cert it will be written you were born in Accra, but on the form you put in Kumasi, meaning you're gonna get rejected. Yes, so pay attention to that. Country where you were born, Ghana. Yes, you just impute in. Country of eligibility for the DV program, you select Ghana. Entrant photograph, yes, so entrant photograph too, you must be very careful. Yes, we have standards, yes, as to the kind of picture that you can actually use. The picture must not be 6 months old. It must be 600 by 600. It must be in JPEG, and it should also be 24 kilobytes. If it doesn't meet this standards, then your application is gonna get rejected. You don't have to wear sunshades. You understand? You must smile. Those kind of stuff. Yes. So if you need a detailed explanation on that too, you can check under my bio. My number is there. You can message me on WhatsApp and I'll tend to you. Yes. So for the mailing address, they're here. They're asking for your mailing address. So the in care of as you can see into bracket optional. Yes. Let me say you work in a particular facility or you work in a health facility. You are a student. You can actually use their address. You understand? Their address down here. You understand? Yes. In case you don't have your personal address, you can actually use. Yes, you can actually use their address. Yes. So in the situation whereby you have your own address, then you can simply impute in your address line here. In case they want to mail you something, yes, then it's going to be mailed through this address. So address line 2 is optional. So if you have only one address, you simply impute in one address. The address line that you put in address line 1, they are going to ask you the city. You understand? So let me say if I should use Accra Mall as my address line 1, then the city is probably going to be what? Town. The city or town is probably going to be, let me say, Accra. You understand? And the district, yes. Then which district is Accra Mall, then yes, you impute in the district, and the postal code, yes, or the zip code for Ghana is 00233. 00233. You must take note of that. And the country, of course, is Ghana. Country where you live today is Ghana. And the phone number, yes, the phone number, as you can see, is also optional. But if you want to impute it, then you must follow the standard, which is 233. Then you don't have to bring the 0. Yes, so let me say 233 54980241. That's how it should be. You can't bring 233. Then so after the 233, there shouldn't be any 0 again. And the email address, they're asking for your email address. You input it, you confirm it, make sure it's the same. Yes. and they're asking for your highest level of education. Yes, we have primary school, high school, college, university, you understand here. So for those of you that will be selecting high school, you must be very careful. We have high school with degree and high school with no degree. Yes, so for Ghana, those of you in Ghana, is high school with no degree, because high school in Ghana awards only certificate, they don't give degree. So if you should select high school with degree, then automatically you are gonna get your application rejected. Yes, so they're asking for your marital status, whether you are married or not. So if you are unmarried, you simply tap on you are unmarried. If you are married to the same way, and the number of children, that's in a situation whereby you are married. Yes, so that's the end of part 1. You hit on continue, then it's gonna take you to the next part. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give me a follow and gives me a thumbs up here. So if you also want a detailed explanation on how you can apply, then kindly check under my bio. My number is there. Leave a message on WhatsApp and I'll attend to you. Thank you.